Hello friends, this is Botany Ramaya. Today I am going to explain about reproduction in protists. So what is meant by reproduction? Reproduction is defined as a biological process in which an organism gives rise to young ones similar to itself. Protists reproduce both asexually and sexually. So first one is asexual reproduction. What is meant by asexual reproduction? The production of offspring by a single parent without the formation of and fusion of gametes is called asexual reproduction. First one is binary fission. It is the division of parent body into two equal daughter individuals by mitosis. So in binary fission, the parent body is divides into two daughter cells. Binary fission is a equal division. In binary fission, two equal daughter cells are formed. Amoeba, euglena, and paramecium are examples for binary fission. The next one is multiple fission. Multiple fission, it is the division of parent body into several daughter individuals. So parent body is divides into several daughter individuals. This is called multiple fission. Amoeba and Plasmodium are examples for multiple fission. Then third one is plasmotomy. Plasmotomy, it is the division of multinucleate protists into two or more multinucleate offspring by the division of cytoplasm without nuclear division. So in plasmotomy, nuclear division does not take place, but cytoplasm division takes place. So here multinucleate protists divides into two or more multinucleate offsprings. So here multinucleate means they have many nuclei. Opalina is example for plasmotomy. The next one is spore formation. Some protists reproduce asexually by forming spores. Slime molds reproduce asexually by formation of spores. So slime molds is examples for spore formation. Next one is budding. Arcella, it is a sarcodin. Arcella reproduce asexually by budding. The next one is sexual reproduction. What is meant by sexual reproduction? When two parents, that is opposite sex, participate in the reproductive process and also involve the fusion of male and female gametes, it is called sexual reproduction. Syngamy. What is meant by syngamy? It involves the fusion of two gametes to produce zygote. Zygote is a diploid. Syngamy is also called true fertilization. So it means male gamete and female gametes are fused to form diploid zygote. Syngamy is of three types. First one is isogamy, second one is anisogamy, and the third one is oogamy. So first one is isogamy. In isogamy, two fusing gametes are similar. Monocystis is example for isogamy. Next one is anisogamy. In anisogamy, two fusing gametes are dissimilar. Serratium is an example for anisogamy. Then third one is oogamy. In oogamy, large non-motile gametes are fertilized by smaller motile gametes. This is oogamy. Plasmodium is an example for oogamy. So friends, ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మరియు తప్పనిసరిగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.